Okay, I thought I would demonstrate today just how easy it is to use V-Carve Pro to turn a JPEG file or bitmap file or something like this you might get off the internet into a file format that you can cut on your CNC router. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to demonstrate this. Let me create a new file. I want the to be about 12 by 12 and a half. I've got a piece of material about that size. The thickness is going to be a 1/2 inch. I want my origin to be in the center of the material, and I've got my unit set to inches, so I'm going to select OK. So there I have the size of my material. Now I'm going to import a JPEG file. I'm going to be cutting some Mayan art. This is, I believe, Lord Pacal is what they call this, I think. And you can see that the file I have is a good bit smaller than my material, so what I want to do is I want to scale this up. And I'm going to make the width 7 inches. And then you can see that it fits pretty nicely in there. And then when I get done cutting it on a router, I'll trim the side pieces there. But that'll give me some area on the sides where I can use for clamping. So I'm going to hit OK there. Now what I have to do is I have to, what they call in V-Carve Pro, trace the bitmap. This file happens to be a JPEG, but it's same kind of deal. So I have to go to tell it to trace the bitmap, and I'm going to select color, and then I'm actually going to select a few shades here to try to get the most of the file that what I need to get here. And that looks pretty good. I don't think I want to check that one because you can see that one covers it all. So, but it looks like I've got pretty much the different shades of black and gray that will work for this file. So then I click down here where it says Fit Vectors, and it creates the turns that JPEG file into a vector file. And I could actually save that as a DXF if I wanted, but I'm just going to close this out, and now you can see the lines here, and I'm going to switch tabs and go to where the tool path, where you set your tool path, and I'm going to select, I'm going to put create V-Carve, and I'm going to go here to my tool library, and I'm going to select the 90-degree 1/2 inch V-bit. And I've got my settings here already set up for that, the feed rate and such. And I'm going to hit OK. And now what I'm going to do is highlight this whole file, all of the lines, and then I'm going to hit calculate. And I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if I have the video pointed down far enough where you can see the bottom of the screen where it's calculating the tool path. And it takes just a minute or two. Okay, it's done, and now you can see that it's showing the material there, and it's showing the lines on what it's going to cut. And you can actually go over here and preview this tool path, and can get a pretty good idea of what it's going to look like once you run it. And you can see that this is kind of a simulation. It runs pretty quick. Doesn't take that long to show it on there. Okay, it's just about finished now. And I think you can easily see why this is one of my favorite pieces of software. This V-Carve Pro is really easy to use, and it does a great job, and you can make some really great detailed stuff, and you can see you know, in about 5 minutes here, you know, I've gone from a JPEG file to something that I can take out to my CNC router and cut. So it's looks like it's finishing up. It's just about done, and there it goes. So it's all done. So it gives me a good preview of what this thing is going to look like once it's cut. And I can actually go over here and I can hit the estimated time, and it will tell me total machining time based on a rapid rate of 100 inches a minute is going to be just about 2.5 hours. I think it's probably going to run a little faster than that on my machine, because I run my rapid a little faster than that. But I can now save this, save the tool path. I want to make sure that I have that tool path checked, and make sure that my post processor is correct. I run Mach 3 out there, so I want to use the Mach 3 in the inch format, and then with the text extension. So I hit save tool path, and I'm just going to save this. I'll just save it to the desktop, because I'm going to move it to a thumb drive and take it out to the shop here and cut it. But anyway, just wanted to quickly demonstrate how easy it is to use V-Carve Pro. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know about those, and please subscribe to my channel and watch for future videos. I'll have another video up shortly after I cut this, and you can see what the finished product looks like. So thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you later.